Want to watch a comic strip getting done here? Then you need to check this video out. Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. As you know, I draw comics, I do children's picture books, and in this video I'm going to be inking in some of the Poison Ivy Gulch comics that's up on the roster for July. Alright, just going to be masking in areas of black ink, both here and on the other one I've got. Okay, so let's begin. Got my ink and brush. Dip it in my container of water here. Alright, let's see what we've got. Alright, let's ink in those eyes. Gotta be careful when you ink. Gotta have a very steady hand, just like the game Operation. There we go. I've masked in the black areas. I'm going to move on to those two guys in the foreground. Yeah, they're in the extreme foreground there. That adds a layer of depth here to my work. Also forms kind of a triangle, which is a good element of composition there. Alright, let's get this masked in using a number 4 round brush. Alright.